Who are you?
Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick Lamar. Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick Lamar.
February 9th, 2025. 126 million people watching. The lights go dark at the Super Bowl halftime show. First, silence. Then a car. Not a Lamborghini, not a Bugatti, a Buick, a 38-year-old American muscle car that most people under 40 had never heard of, rolling onto the most watched stage on planet Earth, with the greatest rapper alive crouched on its hood like he owned the whole world. That car wasn't chosen randomly. It was a message. The man on that hood grew up in Compton, California. His family had nothing, and the very first car that ever carried Kendrick Lamar was a Buick Regal, the sister car of that very Buick on that very stage, driven by his father, bringing him home from the hospital the day he was born. From that Buick Regal in 1987 to a garage now worth millions. These are Kendrick Lamar's top 10 most expensive cars, and every single one tells a story. One appeared in 3 separate music videos, another got him pulled over by police, and the #1 car, it stopped the internet cold and made every person who has ever loved American muscle shed a quiet tear. Let's start the engines. 10. 1964 Chevrolet Impala. The 1964 Chevrolet Impala is not just a car. It is a cultural artifact and a 4-wheeled symbol of West Coast hip-hop, of Compton, of lowrider culture, of everything that shaped the world Kendrick Lamar grew up in. Tupac, NWA, Snoop, Dr. Dre, and every icon of the sound Kendrick was raised on referenced the Impala. And so does Kendrick, because how could he not? He was spotted riding this exact car in Mike Will Made It's 2017 Perfect Pint music video alongside Ray Shremmerd and Gucci Mane. He also showed off a convertible Impala in his 2017 Humbles video, one of the most watched music videos of that year. The 1964 Impala runs a 3.8-liter inline-6, producing 140 horsepower. By modern standards, that is not fast at all, but speed was never the point. A lowrider doesn't move fast, it moves beautifully. The Impala's X-frame chassis is legendary for withstanding the stresses of hydraulic hopping, the art form unique to Compton's streets that Kendrick grew up watching. Currently priced at $25,000 to $50,000, the Impala is the cheapest car on this list in price, but it's arguably the most valuable in meaning. 9. 1990 Cadillac Brougham. If you really want to understand Kendrick Lamar, then watch the King Kunta music video from 2015, from arguably the greatest hip-hop album of the 21st century to Pimp a Butterfly. In that video, Kendrick sits regally in the back of a massive, boxy, old-school Cadillac rolling through the streets of Compton. That car is the 1990 Cadillac Brougham, and it belongs to him. The Brougham was Cadillac's last great big-body design. It sits on the road like a piece of American furniture. A sofa on wheels built for 6 adults, powered by a 5.7-liter V8 from General Motors that many consider one of the finest engines the company ever built. Current price sits around $10,000 to $20,000 depending on condition. For a car that co-starred in one of the most important hip-hop videos of the decade, that is a remarkable bargain. 8. 1992 Cadillac Seville. Every great garage has an origin story. This is Kendrick's. The 1992 Cadillac Seville was Kendrick Lamar's first ever car. His father gave it to him, which already makes it irreplaceable in any terms beyond money. But Kendrick being Kendrick, he couldn't leave it stock. He had the car customized with Lamborghini-style scissor doors, the kind that swing upward instead of outward, which is the signature move of every exotic Italian supercar you've ever dreamed about. On a 1992 Cadillac Seville from Compton, that detail is everything. The Seville itself was a genuinely impressive car for its era. Powered by a 4.9-liter V8 producing 203 horsepower, it was named Car of the Year in 1992 by multiple publications. With its European-inspired interior, optional sunroof, and increased trunk space, the Seville was Cadillac trying to go toe-to-toe with the European luxury sedans. You may be able to get one today for around $5,000 to $15,000, but Kendrick's custom scissor door version, that's a one of one, priceless to him and his story. 7. 2018 Range Rover Sport. If you've listened to Kendrick Lamar's music closely enough, and you should, you've heard him talk about this car before he owned it. He referenced the Range Rover in The Heart Part 5, and again in Range Brothers, two tracks separated by years of career, awards, and evolution. The Range Rover wasn't just a purchase, it was an aspiration that became a reality. The 2018 Range Rover Sport is the version Kendrick owns, and it is, by any measure, a seriously accomplished machine. The base supercharged V6 delivers 340 horsepower, while the SVR version pushes 575 horsepower and will do 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. That is a 5-seater family luxury SUV embarrassing sports cars off traffic lights. Inside, it's what you'd expect from Land Rover's sporting flagship. It's got Napa leather, a gesture-controlled panoramic sunroof, an activity key wristband for outdoor adventures, and an optional refrigerator in the rear for when you're just that person. It's also a 5-seater, perfect for Kendrick, his partner Whitney Alford, and their 2 children. 6. 2018 Mercedes-Benz G-Class G-Wagon. The Mercedes G-Class needs no introduction. It is the single most recognizable vehicle in rap culture, the universal symbol of making it, and Kendrick Lamar owns one in black, obviously. But what makes this G-Wagon story worth telling is the moment it became public knowledge. Kendrick had just bought his brand new 2018 Mercedes G-Class and was rolling through California when he was pulled over by police for a missing license plate. His new car delivered fresh with no plates yet fitted. An officer approached one of the most famous rappers on the planet sitting in a G-Wagon, no plates, Compton roots, and Pulitzer Prize in the back pocket. Kendrick was calm and cooperative. Fortunately, everything was settled and he drove off. Interestingly, Kendrick referenced the G-Wagon directly in his song United in Grief, the opening track of his 2022 album Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers. The 2018 G-Class runs on a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8, producing 416 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. The legendary boxy exterior design has remained fundamentally unchanged since 1979, a design so correct it simply didn't need improving. 5. 2017 BMW i8. In 2017, Kendrick Lamar dropped a music video that stopped the internet. Loyalty, featuring Rihanna, two of the most magnetic people on earth, in a video that became one of the most watched of that year. And the car, the BMW i8, a hybrid sports car that looked like it had been delivered from 15 years in the future. It's got scissor doors and a futuristic body that looked like concept art brought to life. Under the bonnet is a story that defied every expectation. The BMW i8 uses a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 369 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. And it does this while achieving hybrid economy figures that would embarrass a family hatchback. It was BMW saying, "You don't have to choose between performance and responsibility. You can have both." Today's price sits around $60,000 to $90,000, but it's still a serious machine, still turning every single head on every single road it drives down. 4. Cadillac Escalade. At some point in every great rapper's career, they get an Escalade. It's practically a rite of passage, the American luxury SUV that has appeared in more hip-hop videos, more award show arrivals, and more midnight drives than any other vehicle in history. Kendrick's Cadillac Escalade is his fortress, his transport of choice when moving through the world with his family. When you're one of the most recognizable faces on earth, and you've grown up in a neighborhood where public presence carries risk, you need something that feels safe. The Cadillac Escalade does exactly that. Built on a truck-based platform, it seats up to 8 people. The interior is a masterclass in American luxury with quilted leather, a 36-speaker AKG audio system, a curved OLED display stretching across the dashboard, and a ride so smooth you'd forget you're in an SUV. Under the bonnet, a 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower, or a turbocharged 3.0-liter diesel alternative for those who want range over roar. 3. 1970 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, and here is where Kendrick's collection reveals its deepest layer. The 1970 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. This car is a time machine. Built in the year that ended the 60s culturally and opened the decade that would eventually produce the music scene Kendrick was born into, long, enormous, riding low on enormous chrome wheels with a vinyl roof, bench leather seats, and the kind of road presence that modern aerodynamics simply cannot replicate. Under the hood is a 7.7-liter V8 producing 375 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. By 1970 standards, this was one of the most powerful production engines in America, but here's why this car matters beyond the spec sheet. The 1970 Coupe de Ville is the car of Compton's history. It is the car of the generation that raised Kendrick's parents. It is the car that cruised the streets he grew up on before he was born. Owning it is Kendrick reaching backward through time and picking up a piece of his people's story and parking it in his garage as a monument. 2. Chevrolet Camaro. Kendrick Lamar grew up in Compton in the 90s, which means he grew up surrounded by American muscle. The rumble of a V8 on a Saturday afternoon wasn't a luxury, it was the soundtrack of the neighborhood, and the Chevrolet Camaro was a part of that soundtrack. The Camaro has been one of America's most iconic performance cars since 1966, built specifically to answer the Ford Mustang, which it has been fighting ever since in one of the greatest automotive rivalries in history. Kendrick's Camaro packs a 3.6-liter V6 producing 335 horsepower and goes 0 to 60 in as little as 4.0 seconds in SS spec, priced between $28,000 and $70,000. It's not the most expensive machine in the garage or the rarest, but it is deeply, completely unapologetically American. 1. 1987 Buick GNX. And here it is, the 1987 Buick GNX Grand National Experimental, only 547 ever built. Kendrick owns number 191. Here's why this isn't just a car. On June 17th, 1987, the day Kendrick Lamar was born, his father drove him home from the hospital in a Buick Regal, the exact same base car the GNX was built on, the exact same year. As Kendrick told Complex in 2012, he came home from the hospital in an 87 Buick Regal while his dad bumped Big Daddy Kane. Same bloodline, same year. That's not a coincidence. That's destiny. Now, what is the GNX? In 1987, muscle cars meant V8S, Mustang GT, Camaro Z28, all V8. Then Buick's chief engineer took a 3.8-liter turbocharged V6 to McLaren and ASC, and they built something nobody saw coming. Officially 276 horsepower, but automotive historians believe Buick deliberately underquoted it to avoid embarrassing Chevrolet and Pontiac. The real numbers were higher. On the road, it didn't matter. The GNX ran 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds and beat the Mustang, the Camaro, and the Corvette in real-world drag races. They called it Darth Vader's car, all black, all menace, completely devastating. Kendrick didn't just buy one. He named his 2024 album GNX after it. He posted the car on Instagram with the caption, "In the moment of confusion, the best thing you can do is find a GNX." And on February 9th, 2025, in front of 126 million people at the Super Bowl, he walked out and crouched on the hood of one. Some cars are worth more than money. The GNX is the car Kendrick Lamar was born to own. Number 1, no debate.